irony is that the United States constantly talks about the so-called rules-based international order. It never defines it because it really just means the US order in which the US makes the rules and orders everyone around. It's a colonial order, really. It's Washington's order. And we see an example here of how the US is rewriting all those rules and changing the so-called rules-based order because China has industrialized much more effectively than the US has. And now we see, after decades in which US politicians were constantly criticizing the Chinese government for having socialism, for having significant state leadership in the economy, and this massive program of industrialization led by the Communist Party of China, well, now the US is being forced to implement some of the socialist policies of its own. So this is the incredible historical moment we're in. And it also explains the new Cold War. This is the reason for the new Cold War. The US can no longer simply compete with China. It's become the world's manufacturing superpower, responsible for nearly 1/3 of global manufacturing. And China has no intention of abandoning that role.